We're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've secured this C63s final edition, one of 500 in the world, with a Ghost 2 system. So how it would work if a thief done a relay attack on that key, hopped in the vehicle, tried to start it up, it's just not going to start. As you can see, it's not cranking. Let me just turn the radio down. So as I was saying, if they try and start the vehicle up, it's just not going to start. So what the customer has to do, with their foot off the brake, they'll double tap the start button, get all their lights on, then go for a code of their choosing. We've kept it nice and simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a double flash from the full beam. And now foot on the brake, hold the start button, and the vehicle's going to fire up. So without the code, thief's not going to be able to start it, even if they've got your key. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll have to do, so they don't start the vehicle for this process, double tap the start button like usual, disarm it with their code 1, 2, 3, 4. We have set for now. Get a double flash as usual. Now we'll put our foot all the way to the floor on the accelerator, pop our code in again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Full beams will start to flash. When they do, we can lift our foot and it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just change it to left, right, left, right. Every time we press a button, you see we get a flash. When we're done, we'll get 3 flashes, 1, 2, 3, and we'll repeat that code again. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is our code. Wait for a double flash, and that's the code changed. So now when they get in the vehicle, tap, tap, get the ignition on, new code 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a double flash, foot on the brake, and we can fire it up. This also has a service mode, so what you have to do, press the driver's window 5 times up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5 flashes. And now it's in service mode. So that means it's a normal vehicle when it goes back to Mercedes. As long as they don't road test it for over 30 miles an hour for more than 15 minutes, it's going to be a normal vehicle. And when they've got the key, it's just going to start up. No need for a code. When you get it back from them, you'll obviously want to turn the system back on. So to do that, double press, do your code, get a double flash like normal, and that's it, the system's back on. So now if we turn the vehicle off, leave it, come back 5 seconds later, try and start it, vehicle doesn't start, system's back on. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a final edition C63s, secured by us with the Ghost 2 system. Thanks for watching.